Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Probiotic Herbalife. Probiotics are beneficial live microorganisms that support your gut health. Herbalife offers specific products designed to deliver these helpful bacteria. Understanding how to properly incorporate them into your routine is key to maximizing their benefits for your digestive and immune systems. We'll cover the basics of what they are and why they are important. To start, always follow the specific dosage instructions provided on your Herbalife probiotic product label. Many products come in a powder form, which you can easily mix into a glass of water or a cold beverage. It's important to avoid hot liquids, as heat can harm the live cultures. For optimal benefits, aim for consistent daily intake, perhaps at the same time each day. Herbalife probiotics work to maintain a balanced gut microbiome, which is crucial for overall wellness. A healthy gut can improve nutrient absorption and support efficient digestion. To ensure the potency of your product, always store it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Proper storage helps preserve the live cultures, ensuring you get the most out of every serving. Remember to combine your probiotic intake with a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle for the best outcomes. If you have specific health concerns, always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice tailored to your needs. And for those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Taking care of your gut is a vital step towards overall wellness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.